Hello, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I want to show you how you can actually create social media content plans based on competitor weaknesses and competitor gaps, and obviously also Google search trends. And this is great for local businesses actually, and or marketing agencies or marketers who are helping local businesses with social media. And this is actually a very unique way to beat competitors also in terms of content creation, because now you're looking at what's happening to your competitors and the experiences their customers are having with these businesses, and you can leverage that in order to shine and show them that we can do better in terms of experience than last time you visited X business, right? Let me show you what the workflow looks like before we jump on PromptMate to see the actual AI automation. So as an input, we will use the main keyword and your company website URL or your client's company website URL. And what basically this input will allow us to do is at this stage, three things, right? So first, we will be able to find other Google keywords based on that main keyword, this one right here, and extract mainly a list of these keywords and search volume and difficulty, right? The second thing that we will be able to do is to actually look at Google search results pages and kind of extract trends from there that are useful to us when it comes to creating actual content, right? And then the third thing, which is very interesting and important, I would say, is what I mentioned before, that we will be able to scan top 5 competitors that are ranking on Google Business, on Google Maps, and extract these Google My Business reviews and kind of do a sentiment analysis and look at what these clients are complaining about first, and then second, based on what they are complaining about, can we do a better job? Can we offer what can we promise to these potential clients that well, if you come to us, you'll never experience what you experienced in this business the last time you visited, right? First of all, we will be extracting these, and then we will leverage the outputs of these three, so all the above plus your own company website analysis, to create a 30 days content plan. And the reason we're using actually the website, your own business website or your client's business website here, is to kind of see if, well, yes, these clients are having a bad experience when they visit our competitors, but do we say through our website that we can actually do a better job than our competitors? Because if, for example, they are looking for a certain service on our competitors and complaining because they are not finding it there, unless we make sure we offer that service, we can't just go and create content and say, hey, don't go there at our competitor, come to us because we have it, until we make sure we actually have that service or we cover that specific service, right? So now let's just jump on PromptMate so I can show you what it looks like. For example, I'll use a beauty salon, right? I'm using this as if this was your company website URL, and the keyword is this: beauty salon, Nashville, Tennessee. And so that's how we get started. The first data extender that we use is the Google Ads keyword, and it's basically allows us to grab all the keywords for this main keyword, right, related to this keyword, together with the volume, and we kind of ask in the prompt to return a table, right, with all the data. And this is what it is. Obviously we have this, which has this search volume, and the competition is low. But notably, it's interesting to see also this one, or even this one, tanning salons, Nashville, and also black hair salons, 590, which is very interesting as well, right? I kind of ask in a second prompt to rank these keywords so that we know that we can just use, for example, these ones and this, and ignore this for now because the search volume, it's too low, and that's what it's doing. And then on another prompt, we will go and look at Google search results pages for trends, and that's what it's doing. It's analyzing the latest Google search trends for beauty salons in Nashville, because obviously it's using the keyword, and it gets some trends right here. And then we do, in a kind of repetitive way, analyze the 5 top competitors on Google Maps, using first Google Maps to extract the names of these businesses, right, which we have here. And then we will use these names of these businesses to get their Google business reviews, right? So that's what we're doing with competitor one first. And as you can see, it's extracting all the data, which is kind of messy right here, but on the output is really well structured. It also gives the recurring customer complaints, right? Issues with color treatments, lack of proper management, supervision. We'll do it for top 5 competitors. I don't want to go through each, but you can see a little bit of it. For example, here it says uneven or botched hair color, hair damage after services, etc. So yeah, it's doing this for 5 competitors. And then at the end, also by looking at our own website content, right, which is thanks to our website content data extender, right, using the website URL, this is what it's doing. It's mainly using the weaknesses and the gaps the competitors have right now based on customer feedback and giving us a content plan. And I specifically asked in the prompt to give us a table, so the output should be in the form of a table where it gives you the topic, the title, based on what competitor weakness it is and what is addressing. And then the content and copy instructions, just a little bit. This you can elaborate later, but this is the most important thing. So for example, color expertise. This is addressing botched hair colors that these 2 competitors are have gotten a bad review for, right? And then consultations are overlooked. And it also tells you what to do. Discuss in a video content common color mishaps and how your own business can do a better job. Show before after pictures. And then for example, this other pain point, this other weakness is consultations are overlooked at competitors, and make a video of stylist explaining why your consultation process and why it guarantees great results, right? And obviously it's also covering trends, because we said we would do content based on trends as well, right? So yeah, this is amazing. This is really great. And obviously if you don't like any of these 30, you can leave them out. But imagine having a feed on your TikTok or Instagram after you have created this type of content for your business, instead of just doing common type of content for a business without really having a direction for it. It would really not compare at all with this, because this is obviously addressing every bad experience they have when they go to your competitor and why you're better, as well as trends on Google search results, right? So yes, this is it. I can save this as a template and I'll put it in the description of this video. But keep in mind that templates are templates. You need to customize them anyway. It's a good starting point to have it as I have it here, but you really need to go prompt after prompt and see how this fits for your need, right? So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.